Hello, dear tutor and classmates. It is my lesson video. In some cases, you just omit the initial letter for better pronunciation, as is the case with K, like new, night, and now. Another example is when you lengthen a letter like O, as in blood, floor, food. Other times, you don't seem to fully pronounce the letter at the end of a word, such a bite, tooth, and hop. And there are others that sound that same, but you must be careful in words like beer and beer. Always check the context. Finally, there are words that sound just as they are spelled, such as tail, pain, and pen. If you keep these details in mind, you should have no problem improving your pronunciation and learning English much faster.